silalele zilungise uqala uyilungise ngoba sokwenza ivideo labo eserious and ngifuna abantu basifake imali bazowafaka ama-million. Wena ngifuna u-act engazuthi udeaf awuzwe emadlebeni and ublind awubone emehlweni yabo, and then bona ngizobapostela-ke ivideo bazobe sebesifakela imali. Asiyiqale kahle-ke silungisele. Are you ready? Okay, sure, siyaqala. Hi guys, my name is Siyabonga Mpungose and this is my daughter Ibanati Mpungose, and she is deaf and blind as well, and ke siyacela la kwi-social media nisifakele imali eningasifakela yona kwi-account yami niyitransfer nje nayo nisifakele lokhu uzoba right ndoda. Imahoza wena sisaqhubeka nevideo ima
ngikhathi nomkhwanazi angeke ubugebengu loba ingeke baba thole ingane ozoyenza njalo ngeke ayingeke
ima wena soyithola kanjani imali
umkhwanazi
imalinda